Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to make your iPhone flash when you get any message or call. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device and want to turn on your this flash, blinking flash when you get any messages or call or any other notification, I will help you how to do this. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, open your setting, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. And guys, you need to check for software update and you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys, now you need to go back. After going to back, scroll it down and here you will see the option of accessibility. Scroll it below and from here you can see audio and visual. Scroll it down and here you can see the option of LED flash for alerts. Click on it and you need to turn on this. And guys, after this your iPhone will blinking, flashlight will be blinking when you receive any message or call. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.